Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, it's not so much of a cooking video, but just want to show you. I grew this pineapple plant out here in the backyard, and it's ready to pick, right? More than a third of it is yellow. It looks really nice. I was hoping I'd get some what they call pups off the sides, shoots in here that I could pick those out and replant, but I don't have any. But I will go ahead and go take this thing off, just cut it like so. There's a sharp knife here. We're gonna take it inside. We're gonna give it a try. I have a store-bought pineapple as well, and we'll also clean this up and get it ready so we can plant it for next year. All right, we're inside with this freshly cut pineapple. So I'm gonna show you two parts. First, we're gonna cut the pineapple and show you how easy it is to slice up a pineapple. Right. One of the things on a pineapple. For saving this, I'm gonna cut it way up here to the top, right? So I'm just gonna take my knife through here, just like that. And so then I have my pineapple. What I really like to see here is this kind of dot thing. Those are the roots to this pineapple. And what I can do is just kind of take off this first layer of leaves right here to get this ready to plant in the ground. Now, some people say just plant it in the ground just like so. I like putting it in some water to help give it a good start. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. So let me just peel a few of these off, and then we'll show you how to peel the pineapple. Okay, I pulled some of the leaves off of this pineapple right here. Again, there's our root. So I'm just gonna put it in a cup of water for a couple of weeks, so that way the roots get started. I have a store-bought pineapple. I did the same thing. We can see the roots down there. Nothing's come out yet, but it's only been a couple days. So maybe in about 2 weeks, I should have some roots and I can plant those in the ground. So how do you slice up a pineapple? It's real simple. I just cut the bottom just like so, to cut it off there. Same with the top. Don't want to waste a whole lot of it. And then it's real simple. You just go around the edges of that pineapple like that to get the skin off. All right. So I'll go ahead and do this as quick as I can. It's small. You know, I don't want to waste a lot of the fresh meat, fruit on this pineapple because it looks good. It smells good. I hope it tastes a lot better than a store-bought one. You can trim this off a little bit more if you want. Real simple. The phone's ringing, so let's take a break. All right, so it was a sales call as usual, and that was a landline. Yeah, out of date, I know. So let's finish up this pineapple. What I'm gonna do is just cut the pineapple right in half, just like so. And then, you know, we have that core in the middle, which is gonna be tough, so we really don't wanna eat that. So then I'm gonna quarter the pineapple like this, and then just cut right down where that core is to remove it, right? And then you can make it into cubes, however you wanna cut it. You can grill it. So that's really it. That's real simple to do a pineapple, even a store-bought one. Just cut through there just like so. You can hear that kind of woodiness of that core. But this feels actually soft. When I can glide my knife through there, that's very good. And again, I just cut it up, just like so. And let's take a try here, out of the garden. It has a more punch to it. It tastes very pineapple-y. Sweet. Pineapple is not a word, but quite good. It tastes very good, very good. Now, I do have a store-bought pineapple that I've already cut, just to compare it there. Well, it tastes like pineapple. It's not as flavorful as the homegrown pineapple. So I'd highly recommend, try it for yourself. It takes a while, could take a couple years, depending on where you live and the climate. You know, if you're down south further, you can have better luck. Up north, put them in pots, keep them inside, take them out in the summer. Give it a try. You might like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on our next video.